Welcome to Connected Safety Net. We're here to empower your operations with intelligent digital tools that offer valuable insights into your activities. In this video, we'll be introducing you to a Power BI dashboard. This dashboard visualizes all the data generated from the digital forms you've been completing. As you can see, the executive summary provides a high-level overview of key metrics. From here, you can drill down to gain a deeper understanding of what's happening. Whether you're reviewing schedules, identifying who has been completing inspection forms, or analyzing work solutions, the dashboard gives you the tools to capture and assess all these details with ease. We recommend arranging a group training session to help you and your team make the most of this online tool. This will ensure that everyone can effectively access, interpret, and leverage the records being created. Additionally, the system allows you to generate PDF forms for event-related data and other key information, ensuring seamless sharing and documentation. We hope this demonstration of your Power BI dashboard has been helpful, and we look forward to assisting you in maximizing its potential.